Okay. We're trying to run a game here. Just hopped into a lobby. I've actually played with Sir Stonky Toots before. And I know he's valid. The sheep, I know, is good. So I'm excited. I think this should be a good-ass gameplay. I played with him before and we had a close-ass game. Pretty sure he won, too. So that's why I was just like, this dude's in the lobby. I'm like, holy shit, let's fucking run it. So we're in Waterfall. Yeah. Hopefully Stonky Toots is still very valid. So we can have a good-ass gameplay. Hey, looks good. Looks like we're in for a treat. I'm excited. These boys don't look like anything special. As soon as I saw Woolly Mammoth, I knew it was gonna be a shitter. Okay. What are you doing there, lad? Lad! You gotta chill with that black hole, bro. Ah! What do you mean? Oh my god, this dude's shit. I don't know what to do here, boys. See you, boo. Yeah, get rid of that shit, bro. Dude! Sir. See, these are things you love to see. You know? You love to see it. You just do. I don't know why little sheep over here is struggling so much, because I know he's good, but it don't matter to me. Yes, sir. First place. In the trash. Oh, boy. One win gets us done. If I finish, we win. Pause, but you know what I mean. Come on, B. What are you doing there? Ah! What am I doing? What on earth am I doing? I can't fumble the bag this stonky, bro. That was guaranteed win. Oh no. Ah, fine. I thought I just made this a very close game. I think I would have been tied. You sort of tied me, actually. Yeah, we're gonna grab that and just make it like so we can't get that. Can't be having any comebacks here. Ugh. What are these shitters doing, bro? It's weird. GG's. Good game, boys. Got my win back on Mr. Stonky as well, from like a month ago. Ah, you love to see it. You just love to see it. All right, GG's, boys. Thanks for watching.